Hello everyone, welcome to Carnivorous Plants Hub. Today I have a quick unboxing video for you here. I actually received this package from Trap Daddy Carnivorous Plants. It's ran by Raymond Baker. He is out of New Orleans, Louisiana. And he's in a lot of the Venus Flytrap groups that I'm in on Facebook. And I've been seeing him post his plants for sale for a little while now. And I finally decided to pull the trigger. Pretty much every time I see his plants come up for sale, I always have to stop and look because the Flytraps are just so beautiful. So I finally decided to pull the trigger. I try really hard as much as I can to support the smaller businesses. I do like the larger nurseries too. I think I try to support all of the carnivorous plant businesses out there, but I do try pretty hard to support some of the smaller businesses too. And Raymond Baker has a really great little business that he's running. Again, that's Trap Daddy Carnivorous Plants. I will have a link to his social media and to his website in the description and pinned comment, so you can go check out and see what he has for sale. Once you visit his website and you see his plants, it might be really hard for you not to buy something. So if you don't want to buy, don't go visit, because I almost promise that once you go to his website and you see some of these plants, you're going to probably want to buy them. So let's go ahead and unbox this here and see what we got. I actually don't remember exactly the Venus Flytraps that I got. So let's go ahead and open this up and see. I think I got a bimbo, maybe a bimbo, I'm not sure. But let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got. Okay, there is a business card. Nice little card, I really like the design. Information if you want to order, all that's right there. I'll have that in the, like I said, the description and the pinned comment as well. So yeah, nice card, I like that. All right, let's go ahead and pull the plants out here and see what we got. Packaged really nicely. All right. Got the bimbo here. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and get it out of its packaging. I'll pull it out here in just a second. I'm gonna open the other one up first, and then we'll pull it out. Okay, and there's actually a promotion going on right now, and I know it said while supplies last, so I can't really promise anything, but right now you are supposed to get some Venus Flytrap seeds with every order. So I got some seeds with my order here. I'm gonna be doing some stuff with these seeds here in some upcoming videos. I also got some seeds from Stephen Wang that I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna be doing some water germination. I'm gonna be trying to germinate these in my click and grow to see how that works out. But I'm gonna be doing some kind of fun stuff with seeds, so make sure to subscribe to the channel. Also make sure to give it a like if you enjoy it, if you enjoy the content, or if you find this entertaining or useful, helpful, any of that stuff. A like really helps me out a ton. Let's go ahead and open up the other Flytrap here. All right, we got a G17. Oh, look at the size of those traps. What a beautiful plant. Okay, let's go ahead and get these out of the plastic so we can take a really good look at them. Okay, let's unveil the bimbo. Ooh, look at that. Look at those beautiful traps. Now this has been in the mail for like probably 7 days now, I think. So it definitely might be a little light starved, but look at the size of those traps. It looks like they're all currently occupied with an insect. They all look like they're sealed, and the plant is getting some well-needed nutrition. Look at the lashes on that. That is just beautiful. You can see this brand new trap coming up right here. Look at that. It's another nice, big, beautiful trap coming up. It'll be opening soon. Looks like we got some divisions down there on the bottom. Some babies coming out. Another trap popping out right there. So I'm excited to get this out with my collection. I'll probably not repot these. These are obviously coming from a really reputable seller, and he knows what he's doing, so I'm not going to be repotting these probably until maybe the end of dormancy next spring. So they'll be a part of my sort of annual big repotting, but for now these will definitely be kind of left in the substrate that they're in, and will just join my collection. Beautiful little bimbo. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the G17. Just the easiest way to open these, I think, is probably just to kind of trim right around the cup here. There's just a piece of tape, and then I'll get the rest of the tape off of these at a later time. But for right now, for the unveiling, let's go ahead and just cut the tape off, like so. Be very careful when you're doing this, not to cut too far in. You don't want to cut any of the traps. The G17, let's reveal. Ooh, look at that. Man, what a beautiful Flytrap. Look how healthy that is. Even being in the mail for a few days, man, that looks really, really good. I really like the shape of those traps. Kind of almost an almond shape, more like a, kind of like an alien, I guess. More of that oval shape. I really, really like this Flytrap. This is so beautiful. Look at it, got some nice new traps coming up. It does look like it needs a little bit of light, but man, what a beautiful Flytrap. We'll be opening this one up. Looks like this one also has some insects. This one looks like occupied. You can see, you can always tell if it's closed from an insect or if it's closed from freight. This one you can tell, see the little bump right there. That looks like it's sealed on its secondary response, so that's how you can kind of tell that that's an insect. Rather than like this one here, you can tell that's just kind of a partial closer, probably from shipping, being in the mail, but looks like that one's also got an insect in it. You can tell by that seal right there. We got some insects digesting in this one, so man, what a beautiful, beautiful Flytrap. I'm gonna go ahead and get these out of these packages and put them out with the rest of mine, and I will give you a quick update on what they look like with my collection. All right, as you can see here, I got them out with my collection here out in the sun. Start getting them some of that sun and light that they really need. They're just absolutely beautiful. I have to say with Trap Daddy Carnivorous plants, sometimes you don't get, when you order a Venus flytrap, they're a little bit smaller. These are not small, these are huge Venus flytraps. They look like almost fully grown, so props to him there. These were wrapped really, really well. There was no loose substrate. There was nothing kind of flying around. Everything was well packaged, nice and tight, nice and neat. So can't suggest Raymond and Trap Daddy Carnivorous plants enough. I strongly recommend heading on over to his website and seeing what he has available. Hopefully he still has some seeds that he's given out with the orders. If not, I'm sorry about that, but like I said, link to Trap Daddy Carnivorous plants is in the description and the pinned comments, so make sure and head on over and check it out. And while I have you here, I figured I'd give you a quick shot of some of the Flytraps. Looking beautiful today in the sun. I'm trying to get out of the light, but yeah, thanks so much for stopping by today, and I really hope to catch you in my next video. Bye.